I'm here with a full recovery kit, and what that basically entails is there's a 9-meter winch, a tree trunk protector, and there's a 20-meter winch extension strap there, which you just connect to the front of your winch. Let's say you're in a recovery situation and you need a bit of extra rope for your winch, then you use this winch extension strap. Then we also have this 9-ton Kinetic snatch strap. So that basically uses another vehicle's kinetic energy. Let's say you're stuck in the mud or you're stuck in the sand and you can't get yourself out, then you have another vehicle that uses its kinetic energy with this strap to get you out of that muddy or sandy situation. We also have a pair of recovery gloves there, which you put on whenever you're doing a recovery. You don't want to scratch or damage your hands, very vital part of doing recoveries. And then there's this drag chain as well. Let's say you have to pull a vehicle from point A to point B. You also have this strong drag chain over here. And the last thing in this recovery kit is the Snatch Block. Today you get a few different types of these. The newer gen snatch applications is the Snatch Ring. You might have seen it in our previous videos as well, but included in this large recovery kit is Ironman's Snatch Block. When you come to recoveries, a lot of people don't have a lot of experience with recoveries. I mean, it's a situation you really don't want to get yourself in, but when you do find yourself in a recovery situation, it's vital that you understand 100% what recovery points you need. And in terms of recovery points, your vehicle has specific points available for recovery. And when it comes to recovery gear, you also have bow shackles, you get soft shackles, you get the Snatch Block, and you need to attach these to rated recovery points in order to do a recovery. Let's say you have to pull someone either with a winch or with a Kinetic snatch strap. I've seen people put the Kinetic snatch strap on the toe ball of the vehicle, and then when that thing comes off, it comes off like with the speed of a bullet. It might kill you or it might kill someone else. So it's very important to attach your recovery snatch straps or ropes to rated recovery points.